Hi everyone. So today we are heading to Los Angeles. So we are starting from Grand Junction. So you can see our Google map here. So it's almost 11 hours 6 minutes to reach Los Angeles, and Google map shows that as per specific time we'll be reaching by 11:30 night, right?
Yeah.
And so so this is our backyard. So Hare Krishna, Jai Siya Ram. There is a change in the plan. We saw that we are going via Las Vegas. So we thought tonight we'll spend in Las Vegas, and then tomorrow early morning we'll start for Los Angeles. Yeah. So right now, if we want to reach Las Vegas, so it is showing that we will reach by 7:30 evening. So it is around 6 hours 30 minutes. So yeah, so this is current scenario, current situation. So we have changed our plan. We are going to Los Angeles tomorrow. Today we will be staying at Las Vegas. See you then. Bye. As I told you that we have changed our plans. So we started with, we'll go to Spanish Fork. Then from there we'll go to Los Angeles. Then after coming inside the car, we thought that let's not go to Spanish Fork and let's just directly go to Los Angeles. Then the Google map was showing that we'll reach there by 11:30, and now suddenly we planned that let's go Los Angeles tomorrow. Right now let's go to Las Vegas. So now we are going to Las Vegas, and this is what it is showing. We'll reach there by 7:30. So this is the road, and till I think so Nevada it will be like this only. So see you then. Bye. We have left Colorado, and now we are entering Utah. So here it is written. So in US, every state they have this once you enter their state. So here it is written, welcome to Utah. So let's explore Utah. Hare Krishna. Sumit, just a minute. Utah, you will find this kind of desert till maybe around 2 to 3 hours. You will see the same scenic. It's more or less it's a desert. That's why Elon Musk has started his own solar industry here. So there are a lot of solar panels nearby, because this town this state is super hot, and there is very less civilization here. So probably I can show you the solar plant as well of Tesla. I'm not sure though whether it will come in on our way or not. But yeah, while we go from Utah to Nevada, there will be a lot of solar panels or solar companies that we'll come across. So let's explore those. Thing about this Utah, we have come before to Utah because that is the closest state we have, because we stay in Grand Junction, which is, you can say it's between the Utah and Colorado border. So like this straight road, can you see? So here you can see that for 225 miles we have to just keep on this road, because this will be straight road. You don't have to take any turn till 225 miles. So this kind of road you'll find here. I have seen this in Texas also. While driving from Texas to Colorado, we had come across those roads where we have to just keep on driving for say 200-300 miles at one stretch, without any gas station, without any what you can say human existence. Bye. right now we are in Arizona. So can you see this dotted line? So once we reach this dotted line, we'll reach Nevada. Right now we are in Arizona. So let's see. Actually, the windshield is little dirty, so excuse for that. So how close we are? Yeah, we are very close to this dotted line. Can you see my finger? This dotted line. That is Nevada. Right now still we are in Arizona. You know about Arizona? It's the hottest state of America. So we are 100 miles away from Las Vegas. एकदम इस साइड पे डाल दो ना. Nevada. Hello everyone. So we have reached Las Vegas. Just see the beautiful roads. Though it looks beautiful, but it's very difficult to identify these roads when you use Google Map.
You see that?
Yeah. That is the one that you were talking about?
No.
Nope.
It's a big city.
Okay, so we are entering into Las Vegas. And today is Thursday, so we are expecting less crowd because we thought that if it is Friday, Saturday, probably California people, they come here and enjoy their weekends here. So just to prevent that traffic, we thought of coming on Thursday. So yeah, once we go to the downtown, we'll give you a better picture whether it is worth coming on the weekdays than weekends. Let's see. Oh, that is the globe, I guess. Can you see the
yeah.
globe?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Actually, it seems that they have spent around $2 billion in building that globe. So once we go inside the downtown, probably we'll get a detailed view of that globe. Why it is so expensive? What is inside it? I have no clue. So once we go inside, we'll know. So Hilton Tower is there. Then Trump. I think so. It is Trump only, right?
Yeah.
Donald Trump's building. Can you see that? This is Trump's. It's written Trump. So it may be Trump's building. Or it is Trump's building. Actually, he was into this casino thing. So wherever you go here, you will find only casinos. See? Treasures. Caves. Still, we have not reached the downtown Las Vegas. It's just the outskirt right now. So with this road, we are entering into. First, we are going to go to Radha Krishna Temple. So this is our Google Map is showing 13 minutes to reach Radha Govinda Temple. Can you see that merry-go-round? Yeah. So maybe tomorrow we can go there. Today, probably we won't be able to go there because we are yet to take our dinner. So first our plan is, first we will go to ISKCON. See Vindhyam.
Oh, that's Caesar's Palace up there.
That is Caesar's Palace. And I don't know what is this. These are casinos?
Which one?
This Caesar's Palace?
No. Yeah, it's a casino, but it's also known for its hotel, its homes. A lot of
Okay.
famous people have come and stayed here.
Oh.
Now close the window.
Cosmopolitan. Actually, the problem is that our windshield is so dirty, no? I'm not getting good picture of this. That's for that reason I'm opening it so that I can at least have some clarity when I'm showing the. These are parking slots. See, parking is so difficult here that you have to just drive to the buildings and park your car. See, most of the downtowns in America looks like this. The only difference I'll be able to tell you once we go inside the downtown how it is different from other downtowns that we have visited till date. So I have gone to New York downtown, Cincinnati downtown, Minneapolis downtown. Then Denver, yeah, Dallas, Austin. So I can compare that with this downtown. Then probably I'll be giving you a better picture. So this is another hotel. So there's a lot of hotels. See
That's
this
MGM.
pyramid?
That's MGM.
MGM, this pyramid?
I guess so, because of the lion, I can say that.
Okay, so this is MGM. I don't know what that means.
The MGM is the studio, no? MGM.
Okay, it's a studio, MGM. Okay.
No, that's not a studio.
Delano.
I
Okay.
think that is MGM. That belongs to MGM because of the lion, I'm guessing.
See, another stadium. This is a stadium. While dubbing, I'll be in a better shape to explain which are these places. It looks like a Grand Junction, right? This part. Quickly. So we are going to ISKCON. So it's showing 3 minutes. So we'll reach by 7:34. Actually, we saved 1 hour because we were moving towards west. So mountain time right now it will be 8:30, and it's Pacific time. That's why it is 7:30 here. So it's a good thing that when we are moving towards west, we save 1 hour. And the same thing becomes very difficult when we go to East Coast,
Look
right?
at the fuel price.
It's yeah. See the fuel price here. It's so high. It's 4.12. Actually, if you go to Grand Junction, it is 3.9 or 3.5 something. So here the gas price is pretty high because people are rich here. If they can afford to come here on weekdays, play casino, they gamble, they drink, they stay. So yeah, so they pay more. So we are just about to reach. It's showing 1 minute. So quickly we'll park the car and we'll rush inside just to see Radha Govind temple. It's Radha Govind temple or it's Radha Krishna
I
temple?
don't know. I lost track.
Yeah.
Once we reach there, we'll know.
Yeah, once we'll reach there, we'll know. But it seems they have Govindas as well. But though we are not going to eat it because we called the Mataji there. She said that they close at 8 o'clock, so we don't want to trouble them. So what we'll do, we'll take the darshan and quickly we'll.
Okay.
Chalo. This place smells so good. Hi everyone. So previously we were thinking that we won't be having our dinner in ISKCON Govindas, but later on we changed our mind and we thought let's have our dinner here itself. So we saw a lot of devotees who took the darshan and they started their dinner in Govindas. So we also thought of doing it. So if you are planning to take your dinner at Govindas Las Vegas, then you have to pay $16 per person and it's an unlimited buffet. Of course, the food is super tasty. And yeah, per person you have to pay $16, right? And then you get unlimited dessert, unlimited main course, and unlimited starters. So yeah, so we took our dinner here itself. There is a lot of variety you will see in this video. Thank you.